क्या आपको भी ट्रेडिशनल वेयर में हुस्न परी जैसी फीलिंग आती है? आई बेट आती होगी क्योंकि मुझे तो बहुत आती है। वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। दिस इज एपिसोड 5 of season 2 of यादों की अलमारी. And why are we talking about traditional wear? That's because this episode is about one of my most favorite college events, and that is traditional day, yeah, trad day as we would call it. So traditional day would happen in our college every year on the 3rd of December, which is the feast day of St. Francis Xavier. And this is one event that I would look forward to जब से कॉलेज स्टार्ट होता था. तो आई स्टार्टेड अटेंडिंग ट्रैड डे इन कॉलेज राइट फ्रॉम माई फर्स्ट ईयर इन जेवियर्स विच इज़ FYJC. तो 5 साल कंटिन्यूस मैंने ये इवेंट अटेंड किया एंड इट वॉज वन ऑफ दोज डेज वेर एवरीबडी वॉज एट देयर फाइनेस्ट. सब एकदम मस्त ड्रेसअप करके आते थे एंड डांस, मज़ा, फूड, everything. It was the best event by far. And my favorite part of traditional day was obviously the dressing up. I used to call all my friends and ask them, what are you wearing? I used to decide what I will wear and want to look like the most husnest pari, if that means anything to you. And I love dancing. So the DJ on traditional day would be hands down the best DJ I have ever come across in the whole world. So yes, this episode is about my last traditional day in college. And मैं सच में बहुत ज़्यादा सेंटी हो गई थी क्योंकि 5 साल की जर्नी बहुत मज़ेदार रही एंड द लास्ट वन वॉज वेरी वेरी स्पेशल. मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स नहीं आए थे ड्यूरिंग दिस ट्रेडिशनल डे विच इज़ समथिंग आई काइंड ऑफ फील सैड अबाउट इवन टुडे. बट इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कुछ स्निपेट्स जो मैंने ट्रेडिशनल डे के दौरान रिकॉर्ड किए थे. ऑफकोर्स दिस 2 स्निपेट्स से आपको पूरे ट्रेडिशनल डे का जो मज़ा है उसकी फीलिंग तो ऑब्वियसली नहीं आएगी until you experience it yourself. But I will try my best to make it as much fun for you through these snippets as possible. So yeah, let's get started. Let's go.
Hello, so this is my final traditional day at St. Xavier's College and I will show you the आसपास का नज़ारा right now. दे दो हमें. And you can see a lot of people but into what? Okay, you can see a lot of people but not as many as there were every year. And this is my favorite Chachi ji who has been going around with me since a long time. And I can see another Pokeball friend of mine who usually doesn't like clicking pictures but is doing so. And the music has started inside and Chachi ji is smiling. So yes, I don't know if you can see me but like yeah, I'm wearing this chakra. This is my mother. I don't love you, go. So we need to go inside to dance. So I will see you later. And we got a lot of pictures with a lot of friends. So I will see you later. Bye. You don't believe me. आता तू समझ रावा नेड़े नेड़े So finally I am departing from St. Xavier College after my trad day and as you can see I am very sweaty and half my accessories are missing because either they broke or else I took them off. And a lot of people are leaving because the program is over. My last trad day got over just like that. And this Chachi ji made an appearance. Shut up. Chachi ji gets very upset if I call her Chachi ji. Shut up. Okay, sorry Chachi ji. And I'm leaving. Before she kills me, let me complete my video so that my future generations and whoever I leave behind can see it. And I managed to get some decentish pictures with some people. So many people are waiting for a taxi. Oh shit. I hope you can see me. I hope my face is not too zoomed in. Wait, yeah, we zoom in you out. I don't think we're gonna get a taxi. But we're not gonna walk like this for sure.
Of course. Even if I get a piggyback ride, I won't. So yes.
We'll have to wait for quite some time now. And this is our college from outside.
Let's cross.
Yes, we will. This crossing road is very dangerous, but I can do it. And I'm very sad because my last trad day is over. Can you believe it? This is my 5th trad day. What ye? One fatka I'll give you, huh, Chachi ji. This was my 5th trad day in this college. Come on. And I'm just coming on the footpath because of 2 reasons. One, because people will think I'm mad if they see me making a video, and 2, because I want to cross over to that side. So that I get a taxi hopefully before someone else. Chalo, now I will see you later. Last Friday over. Bye bye.
So, how did you like that video? I hope you could feel the excitement from my face. I wish I could have taken videos with all of my friends and all of that. But like I said, बहुत लोगों के बहुत सारे commitments आ गए थे during that time. And for some reason, मेरे girl gang के 90% members नहीं आए थे. But nonetheless, I had fun with my friends who were there. It was a great party. And by the way, the dress I was wearing is actually my mom's lehenga, so it was even more special for me. And traditional day was a whole mood because ID cards लेके जाना ही पड़ता था. Normal college day हो, traditional day हो, कुछ भी हो, you had to show your ID card at the gate and they would put a stamp saying St. Xavier's College entry access granted, something of that sort on your hand. And that purple mark would be there throughout the day. And we would just go around, roam around the quad, click pictures, have fun, speak to friends. It was mostly just about, clicking aesthetic, traditional day Bharatiya Nari kind of pictures and posting them on Instagram. But I remember जब मैं first or second year में थी, यानी not of degree college, but first and second year of junior college, we had something called the Nashik Dhol, and that was crazy. The vibe, the energy, it would start from the quad and it would go right up to the canteen, and people would literally lift their friends on their shoulders. It was crazy. And jitni zor se wo bajta tha, you could feel the beat, the whole thum right inside your heart. But nonetheless, everybody would just mast magan hoke dance as if nothing ever mattered to them. So it was one of the most special events ever. And I am so glad I could show you some parts of my last traditional day in college. And yes, I will see you in episode 6 of Yadon Ki Almari, which is going to be another very special episode. Until we meet, stay awesome, keep shining, hasta la vista. And जाके traditional wear में कुछ nostalgia के खातिर ही photos खिंचवा लेना. Bye bye.